Ladies, if you are 25 and above and you are tired of stubborn dark spots, wrinkles and fine lines stealing your glow, what if I told you that is as a result of the body lotions that you are using, you are not using the right body lotions that your skin deserves or requires at that particular age that you are, okay? Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi Favy, your favorite skincare YouTuber. I am here to open your eyes on the right body lotions that you should use as someone who has clocked 25 and above. This kind of video is the kind of video that you're interested to watch if you are eager to know the body lotions that you would use this year 2025 that would help to revive your glow, restore your skin, and also give you that shine that you deserve whenever you use a product. This is a video that you should watch from the beginning to the end. But please remember to subscribe to this channel because here we do amazing things. We do all things related to skincare, feminine hygiene, and girls tips. Please subscribe. Subscribing to this channel is free. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the 5 powerful body lotions that you can use and give you an extra body oil that you can also use with these body lotions. Or if you're the type that does not want to use body lotions, if you're the type that don't like using body lotions, you can use only the body oil and your skin will glow. Even if you are 25 and above, that does not mean that your skin should be looking older than your age. There are certain ingredients that your skin requires as you age, okay, or as you advance in age. There are certain ingredients that you should incorporate into your body care routine because you are no longer a young girl, but you still want to lock in your skin, lock in firmness, and get rid of fine lines, stubborn dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and achieve a same skin tone, okay? The number 1 ingredient that your skin requires now that you are 25 and above is called retinol, okay? Retinol is that one ingredient that your skin requires as someone who is 25 and above, not vitamin C. If you're 25 and above, you should start ditching your vitamin C infused products and lean towards retinol, and you will see that your skin will pop. So I'm going to give you the body lotions that contain this retinol that I'm talking about and other amazing ingredients as well that would make your skin pop and give you a new skin. The first body lotion I'm going to recommend for you as someone who has clocked 25 and above will have to be the Skin by Zara Retinol body lotion. This particular body lotion contains retinol, it contains vitamin E, it contains shea butter, and the retinol in this actually helps to promote cell turnover. That is the main work of retinols. Retinols helps to promote cell turnover, give you a renewed, revived skin that when you come out there, people will think that you are even younger than your age, okay? Vitamin E will deeply moisturize your skin and also get rid of free radicals that live on the surface of our skin, while the shea butter would help to lock in moisture, because if you have a dry skin, your skin will appear dry, flaky and ashy, and you're not going to be having this glow that I'm talking about, okay? The second body lotion I'm going to recommend for you as someone who wants to revive her skin, even being 25 and above, will have to be the Vit Gold glycolic acid that has the retinol, okay? The body lotion that has glycolic acid and retinol. And this body lotion contains glycolic acid, it contains retinol, contains jojoba oil. And the retinol in this, you already know what retinol does, is to help to promote cell turnover, renewed skin, revive your skin, and give you a new skin. While the glycolic acid will help to exfoliate your skin, although mildly, because this one is in a body lotion, not in a body scrub. It will help to exfoliate your skin, get rid of dead skin cell, and give you a renewed skin. The jojoba oil will help to lock in moisture onto the surface of your skin so that your skin will appear plump, moisturized, and hydrated. The third body lotion I'm going to recommend it for you if you are looking for that body lotion that would be a game changer in your body care routine, will have to be the Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C Plus Retinol body lotion, okay? This one contains retinol, it contains vitamin C, and it also contains aloe vera extract. And the retinol, you already know what it does. It is going to renew your skin and actually give you a renewed skin. Retinol actually does the work that a vitamin C will do for someone who is from the age of maybe 18 to 24. Do you get? That is the work of a retinol. It's to brighten your skin and give you an even toned skin. Why the vitamin C in it, although it is very, very mild, it will help us also brighten your skin, because vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps brighten your skin, while the aloe vera extract will lock in moisture onto the surface of your skin. And aloe vera extract is actually very good if you have a sensitive skin and irritated skin, a skin that's actually very red when exposed to the sun. Okay, it will help to calm your skin, calm irritation, calm redness, calm sunburn, and give you a renewed looking skin. The fourth body lotion I'm going to be recommending for you in this video will have to be the Olay Retinol body lotion, and this body lotion contains retinol, niacinamide, which is vitamin B3, and it also contains shea butter. Okay, the vitamin B3 would help to get rid of dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and give you a renewed skin. You really know the work of a retinol. And shea butter would help to hydrate your skin, nourish your skin, and give you a moisturized skin. Do you understand? So if you want to get rid of dark spot on your body, hyperpigmentation, dull skin, the niacinamide and the retinol in the body lotion will do the job for you. The final and the fifth body lotion I'm going to recommend it for you if you want to have that shine, okay, as a girl who is 25 and above, would be Favy Q10 Plus Anti-Wrinkle Body Lotion. Okay, this particular body lotion contains retinol, it contains Q10, okay, it also contains vitamin C. The retinol, you already know the work of a retinol, okay, on your skin, and you also know the work of vitamin C. It's an antioxidant that will help to brighten your skin, okay, and the Q10 in this particular body lotion would help to energize your skin cell and boost collagen production. Okay, this particular body lotion will firm your skin even while your skin is aging. It will make your skin not to appear saggy. It will make your skin to be firm and strong. See the one I'm demonstrating with my hand, firm and strong. So if you purchase these body lotions and you are looking for that body oil that will help to lock in the moisture and the ingredient that comes from these amazing body lotions that I just recommended to you, or you are the type that don't like using body lotions, you prefer using body oils, I recommend the Palmer's Retinol Cocoa Butter Body Oil. Okay, this particular body oil contains retinol, which you know, retinol would renew your skin and smoothen the wrinkles on your skin, while the cocoa in this particular body oil will help to intensively moisturize your skin and improve your skin elasticity. And it also contains vitamin E, which protects your skin and repair your skin from environmental stress. Okay, so if you're the type that maybe you want to lock in more moisture, I would advise that you get this particular body oil. Or if you're the type that does not like using body lotions, I would also advise that you lean towards this body oil. It will also do an amazing job on your skin. So when it comes to the tips on how you can use a particular body lotion and achieve a faster result, I would say that you apply your body lotions on a damp skin. Once you're out of the shower and your skin is still wet, okay, a bit wet, not that dry, you go ahead and apply your body lotions. And the retinols, okay, body lotions that are infused with retinols are advised to be used only at night. Do not use retinols infused body lotions in the morning, please, okay, because that is a powerful ingredient. The same way you don't use your vitamin C infused products in the morning is the same way you will not use your retinol infused products in the morning. You only use your retinols at night. Use your retinol body lotions at night. All the body lotions that I recommended in this video are supposed to be used only at night. Do not use them in the morning, including the body oil, because it also contains retinol. And you go ahead and apply your body lotion. After your body lotion, then you go ahead and apply your body oil to lock in and seal in the moisture that comes from the body lotion. If you're the type that don't like using the body lotion, like I said, you just go ahead and apply your body oils and it would work that way. Remember that consistency is key when it comes to doing body care routines and also your skincare routines to achieve a good result. If you're not being consistent, it will not work. There is no way you're going to achieve that plump looking skin that you are looking forward to achieve. Okay, and there you have it, my loves. These are the 5 amazing body lotions that I know that someone who is 25 and above should use, okay, and achieve that firm, glow, hydrated, moisturized looking skin this year 2025 and still pop like a queen that she is. Okay, and also this is the body oil that I know that is perfect for this age range, okay? And if you have watched the particular point of the video and you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you'll be the very first person to get notified once I upload a new video. And like this content, share it to someone that you know that is 25 and above. Share it to that your friend that you know that just clocked 25 or is about to clock 25, so that he or she will get ready, okay, for the big age and also the big change when it comes to body care routine. And if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, okay, and leave a comment in the comment section telling me if you have used any of these products or the ones that you're going to use or the thing that you learned from watching this video. And until next time, my loves, stay glowy as a 25 years plus queen, and bye.